This pool is one of the dirtiest pools I've ever seen. Hurricane force winds swept through the area and wreaked havoc on this pool. Watch as we transform it. Enjoy. We're going to start by netting this pile of leaves on the bottom, moving the pile from one side to the other. Coming soon. See how much easier that is? That we can go to the other side and all the leaves are waiting for us. For the stairs, we're going to work one long stroke all the way down. Always brush stairs into pool before vacuuming. This here is really interesting. The chlorine is heavier than water, so it's going to sink to the bottom. Watch it sweep away the leaves. I'd say we got enough of it to put in the vacuum. What do y'all think? I had to net the top first. Now it's time to vacuum. Once we finish vacuuming the bottom, we're going to go around one more time with the net. Then we're going to brush the entire bottom, rebalance the chemicals one more time. We added liquid chlorine to all these leaf stains.
Thank you for watching our video. I'm Spencer. This is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here. Please subscribe right here. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section below and like the video.